Well, appreciate you guys taking the time to try out the bioaqualife. I guess could each of you tell me kind of what's the standout feature that you liked about the bioaqualife versus traditional shrink wrap that you've used before?
Starting off, so I think that the seams in general, they stick a lot better. I think we've had a lot of issues with the other wrap, but these seem to stick like glue, and I can't complain about it thus far.
Yeah, I like the seams too. The bellies, it did seem like it shrunk a little bit faster, but not crazy amount.
Yeah.
But
Not-
it was.
Not necessarily noticeably faster, and it's a little bit warmer right now
Yeah,
than
it's-
it
exactly.
traditionally be when you guys are during the shrink wrap season. Now, did you find any huge negatives as compared to what you kind of used in the past at all?
I couldn't really point out a huge negative. No, not at all. I mean,
Uh-uh.
I think it performed well for what we did, the size of the boat, and everything else.
One thing I did find out was when you throw it over, you can go to unwrap it, which is a little bit tougher to pull apart.
Yeah. Okay.
A little sticky, but other than that, no big deal. We usually got 5-6 guys on the boat wrapping it anyway, so we got plenty of hands, but
Yeah.
it's good.
And now I know we use kind of a kit, so you guys didn't have to measure it off. But what did you think about like the center line? Did you find that beneficial? And what do you think about like the calibrated center line so that you can count out versus having to run a tape measure to get?
The center line is definitely huge. I mean, that's one of our biggest things, keeping it in the center, because we have so many people, and when it's windy, you got to figure out where it is. You can have someone be up in the boat, make sure everything's even, then get it all tightened up. So I think that was huge for sure.